This video documents joint flattening, thorough surface preparation, and full-depth patching to withstand industrial traffic. The area consists of a throughway used by fork trucks. Years of use have broken down the two joints between the passageway. The process begins with a flattening of the affected area. A scarifier is used to remove the old coating as well as concrete that's been broken and degraded by fork truck traffic. The machine breaks away the surface inequalities to produce a more uniformly flat surface. Next is the treatment of the two joints. A specialized saw is used to cut the joints to 2 inches wide by 1 inch deep. The machine does a good job to remove the weak edges and fully profile the joint's bottom. The process is done mostly dust-free and at a rate of 2 minutes per foot. The result is a fresh channel ready to receive the patching product. The product being prepared is a 2-component urethane, 3 with color, made for filling joints. It's a product formulated for filling voids or joints up to 5 inches deep per lift. Here, it's poured into the clean channels until they are full. Being an active factory, the joints are covered and left to cure. After a minimum of 5 hours, overnight in this case, the joints can be ground flat. The grinding removes the excess filler and smooths the concrete made rough by the scarifier. Being an active traffic way, one side is done, then the other. And that's about it. Joint flattening, thorough surface preparation, and full depth patching to withstand industrial traffic.